Woodsy, smoky fragrance scented with cedarwood, patchouli, jasmine, and whiskey accord. Easy delivery system. We replaced the traditional eyedropper with a pump, which allows for a cleaner and easier application. Made with organic argan oil, which allows for a thinner formula that is easy to apply to even the thickest of beards. Beard oil conditions and softens facial hair, promoting healthier beard growth. Hydrates facial hair and skin, preventing and treating beard dandruff. Suavecito Premium blends are made from the greatest things on earth. Great care and respect for tradition is taken in formulating this series of grooming products. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. It's not oily after you apply and makes your beard really soft. Love this product. I highly recommend it. The scents are great, not overpowering, and leaves your beard feeling soft and doesn't leave a oily feeling after you apply.